Hey everyone, how's it going? Alex at Mazda of Orange here. Hope you're all doing well, having a fantastic day. Today I present to you the all-new 2023 Mazda CX-5 Carbon Edition. And this one's finished in the red leather interior. I'm going to go ahead and showcase the 2023 CX-5 Carbon Edition, go over the ins and outs, engine spec, and some of the safety features that this car does come with. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so let's go ahead and start up with the front end of the car. Now, essentially the 2023 and the 2022 body style is essentially the same. Nothing drastically different. On the Carbon Edition, you do get these high gloss black trimmed front grille. And of course, in the front, you do see the radar system for the radar cruise control, the lane keep assist, and the emergency braking. Now below, you do have a flat black for the front grille portion, which I do like the contrast between the flat black, the polymetal gray, and the high gloss black front grille. Of course, you do get full LED front headlights with daytime running lamps as well as they are LED. I'll go ahead and showcase what that looks like for you. It's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see the daytime running lights. Now, this being the Carbon, you do get these gorgeous high gloss black 19-inch wheels that wrap all the way around, and these tires measure 225/35s. And of course, this car is all-wheel drive as well. You do have high gloss black side mirrors, keyless entry on the CX-5s, and of course, like the front, you do get full LED taillights. And these look absolutely gorgeous at night. You do have, again, the flat black lower diffuser portion. And you got twin exhaust outlets, one on each side. Got your floor mats here. And you lift this and you have a spare. And to put the seats down, you just press on this lever here and back seats fold down. Same with this side as well. So let's go ahead and hop in the driver's side and I'll go ahead and turn the car on. Alrighty, so right before I hop into the driver's side, I just wanted to kind of show just a little bit of the doors as well as the seating as well. So here you have like almost like a hexagon style trim that's almost like carbon fiber, but not quite there yet. You have full leather all the way around, and then you have this red stitching that's very premium along the doors. And of course, you do got these gorgeous red leather seats, and these are an 8-way power adjusted driver front seats with lumbar support. You do have your memory settings right there, and then you have a nice leather steering wheel, again with that red leather wrapping around. Alright, so here we are on the driver's side of the CX-5 Carbon Edition. Now you do get a clean instrument gauge cluster. Now on the far right, it is a digital screen, so you can actually adjust what you want displayed on that screen right there. And then you do have your radar cruise control buttons located on the steering wheel and then you do have your Bluetooth functions as well. Now on the side mirrors, you do have your located right there, your blind spot monitoring system, and that will have a bright LED light come on, as well as an audio beep in the vehicle, letting you know there's a car in your blind spot. You do have, located down below, an off-road button, as well as your lane keep assist button right there towards the right. Moving on to the center console right here, your HVAC controls are very simple to use. You do have one touch. You can hit auto, or you can kind of set it to manual, so that way the driver as well as the passenger side has your own functions. You also do have your heated seats on both sides as well, so very easy to use. Located down below right here, you have your driver control functions. You put it into the left, you have manual mode. You put it into reverse, and you do have a nice high definition backup camera. Now what's neat about this is you do have your rear collision assist. So for example, if there's a car that's behind you and you're reversing, this car will let you know it's not safe to back up. So it's a very nice safety feature to have. Moving on to the glove box, you do have two USBs, and it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. You do have an electronic e-brake and your auto hold function as well. This car does have your HomeLink system as well as your garage door opener, all that good stuff located there. And then you do have a nice spot for your sunglasses. This one does have the moonroof. And then I'll get a closer look of the red leather seats. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and hop in the passenger rear, so that way I can go over some of the creature comforts and all that good stuff. So I'll see you in a little sec. Alright, so here we are in the rear side of the CX-5 Carbon. As you can see, again, those gorgeous red leather seats. Now, what's nice about the Carbon is you do get two storage pockets back here. So you have one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. You have two AC vents for the rears. You have your child anchors located below, and you have two cup holders, a little spot for your phone. You have a nice padded area for your nice elbows, and then you have two USB ports back there. And again, you can kind of put some stuff here. It's kind of velcroed, so it'll kind of stick on there. So very nice place to be. So the CX-5 Carbon Edition no longer offers a turbo variant for this car, but you do still have a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, and that is on 87 octane. The gas is located on the driver's side, and on average you're going to get 24 city, 30 highway, and about 26 combined. This car does have a 5-star crash rating as well for the front, back, and side collision. So extremely safe and very stylish if you ask me. And again, let me kind of get the lights for you. So very aggressive stance. So if you're in the market for a CX-5 Carbon Edition, please let me know. You can either contact me directly, or my contact information will be listed down below in the description. But thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Alex at Mazda of Orange. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much, and have a great day.